The screen here?
Yes.
This is the Holley EFI screen, and it is just phenomenal. What it does is it allows me to control the car.
Okay.
And once it gets loaded, I don't know if you can see this, but I can put all type of gauges on here. I can set the screen up in any type of way I want to set the screen up. So right now I have it with my oil pressure, my battery, my fuel pressure, my water temperature, my boost, and my timing. It does so much. It can also cover my revs when I leave. It'll tell me when I have my nitrous turned off, and I can go to different screens. So I can change it to this screen. I can do a lot of different custom screens on here. But I really love it. And you can put switches on here. So you know how cars have the switches, the race cars?
Yeah.
I can put all my switches, like my water pump switches, just any switch you can think of, I can put it on here. But the screen I like racing with, and it also records my pass automatically. I don't have to plug in any laptop or test it. My pass is already recorded. But the screen I like using is this one here, and then you got this screen right here as well. But this is the one I like. There you go. Holley EFI.
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
Thank you.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share,
and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.